Hi, today I'm doing a product review of this Tex-Mex. What it is jackfruit. It almost resembles meat. It says right here, with green chilies and cumin for a touch of that southwestern heat. I'm telling you, it's got plenty of heat.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
That's the microwave. I'm cooking it right now on some bread. So what I decided to do is I got myself some cranberry raisin walnut straight from Sprouts. It looks just like this. I cut it into 2 slices. I put some V8 on the juice as a base, and it came out like this. Now I'm going to cut it up and taste it. Bite. Make sure it's got a nice piece of. Now here's a nice tasty bite. It's got the bread and it's got the jackfruit. That's supposed to resemble meat. Hot. But if you're into textures, this could work. This might be a way to be able to slowly transition off of meat into jackfruit if you're missing that meat flavor. I've been a vegan for almost 2 years now, and I don't really miss the texture of meat anymore. But that doesn't mean that this is not a good product. Now it's a little hot for my flavor. I prefer to have a little milder food, even though I eat a lot of mild salsa. This is a lot hotter. There's chilies in here, make it very, very hot. But I think it's a good product. Okay, so this is a winner. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you soon in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.